Hi there, I'm Andy from Oscar James and I'm here to show you this 2 to 3 bedroom bungalow in the South Northampton village of Hartwell. So with this property, it does have a really generous sized living room, lots of space for big furniture, nice open gallery windows. Behind you there leads through to the open dining room, French doors onto the garden. You turn through to the kitchen, which does have integrated appliances. So you've got integrated fridge freezer, plumbing for the washing machine, 4-burner gas hob, and then that leads through into the boot room. So on this glorious day, we're out in the rear garden. It's a beautifully maintained but low maintenance garden. You've got a large patio seating area, artificial grass, and then the long flower bed borders across the back of the property. If you're interested in this property or like to know more information, do please call us at the Oscar James branch in Northampton.